Welcome to Chef Mariam's website. Butter chicken, also known as murg makhani, is a popular Indian dish that has its roots in the northern state of Punjab. It is a creamy and flavorful dish made with tender boneless chicken pieces simmered in a rich tomato and cream sauce. The sauce is seasoned with a mixture of spices, including cumin, coriander, paprika, and garam masala, as well as butter and cream to add richness and depth of flavor. The dish is believed to have been created in the 1950s by the Moti Mahal restaurant in Delhi, India, and has since become a staple in Indian cuisine. Butter chicken is traditionally made with chicken that has been marinated overnight in a mixture of yogurt and spices, then grilled or roasted until crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. The chicken is then added to the rich and flavorful sauce and simmered until the flavors have melded together. The unique flavor of butter chicken comes from the use of a variety of spices, including cumin, coriander, paprika, and garam masala, as well as a generous amount of butter and cream. The result is a rich and creamy sauce that is both sweet and savory, with a hint of warmth from the spices. One of the keys to making a great butter chicken is using high-quality ingredients and allowing the sauce to simmer for a sufficient amount of time. This allows the flavors to develop and meld together, creating a harmonious balance of flavors that makes butter chicken so irresistible. Butter chicken is typically served with rice or flatbread, such as naan or roti, to soak up the rich and flavorful sauce. It is a popular dish for special occasions, as well as for weeknight dinners, and can be found in Indian restaurants all over the world. Whether you are a fan of Indian cuisine or are trying it for the first time, butter chicken is a must-try dish that is sure to become a staple in your cooking repertoire. With its rich and creamy sauce, tender chicken, and warm spices, it is a comforting and satisfying dish that is perfect for any occasion. Introduction. 1. Origin. Butter chicken originated in the northern state of Punjab in India. 2. Flavor profile. It is a creamy and flavorful dish made with tender boneless chicken pieces simmered in a rich tomato and cream sauce seasoned with spices and butter. 3. Key ingredients. Cumin, coriander, paprika, garam masala, butter, and cream are the key ingredients used in the sauce to add richness and depth of flavor. 4. Cooking process. The dish is traditionally made with chicken that has been marinated overnight in a mixture of yogurt and spices, then grilled or roasted and simmered in the sauce. 5. Serving suggestions. Butter chicken is typically served with rice or flatbread such as naan or roti to soak up the rich and flavorful sauce. 5. It is a popular dish for special occasions and weeknight dinners. Butter chicken recipe by Chef Mariam. Welcome to Chef Mariam's kitchen. If you are a fan of Indian cuisine, then butter chicken is a dish you must try. Also known as murg makhani, this creamy and flavorful dish is made with tender boneless chicken pieces simmered in a rich tomato and cream sauce seasoned with spices and butter. In this recipe, we will show you how to make a delicious and authentic butter chicken that is sure to impress your friends and family. Ingredients. 1. 1 kilogram boneless chicken, cut into bite-sized pieces. 2. 1 cup plain yogurt. 3. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 4. 2 teaspoons paprika. 5. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 6. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 7. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 8. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 9. Salt to taste. 10. 4 tablespoons butter. 11. 1 large onion, chopped. 12. 6 cloves garlic, minced. 13. 2 teaspoons ginger, minced. 14. 1 can of tomato puree, 400 grams. 15. 1 teaspoon sugar. 16. 1 cup heavy cream. 17. Fresh cilantro, chopped, for garnish. Instructions. In a large bowl, mix together the yogurt, turmeric, paprika, cumin, coriander, garam masala, lemon juice, and salt. Add the chicken pieces and mix until they are coated in the marinade. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, or overnight if possible. Add the tomato puree and sugar to the pan and stir to combine. Cook for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until the sauce has thickened. Add the marinated chicken to the sauce and stir to combine. Cover the pan and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the chicken is fully cooked. Stir in the heavy cream and cook for another 5 minutes, until the sauce has thickened slightly. Serve the butter chicken with rice or flatbread, and garnish with fresh cilantro. This delicious butter chicken recipe by Chef Mariam is sure to be a hit in your kitchen. The combination of tender chicken, rich and creamy sauce, and warm spices creates a dish that is both comforting and satisfying. Whether you are entertaining guests or looking for a quick and easy weeknight dinner, this butter chicken recipe is a must-try. So head to the kitchen, gather your ingredients, and let's get cooking. Chef Mariam special information. Chef Mariam is known for her exceptional culinary skills, especially when it comes to traditional Indian dishes. Her butter chicken is no exception and is a must-try for anyone who loves Indian cuisine. Made with tender chicken pieces simmered in a rich and creamy tomato sauce, seasoned with warm spices, and finished with a touch of butter, Chef Mariam's butter chicken is a dish that is both flavorful and satisfying. Whether you are looking to impress guests or simply seeking a delicious and easy dinner option, Chef Mariam's butter chicken is sure to become a staple in your kitchen. So head to the kitchen, gather your ingredients, and let's get cooking. Chef Mariam's butter chicken is a beloved dish in Indian cuisine and a staple in her kitchen. Made with tender boneless chicken pieces simmered in a rich tomato and cream sauce seasoned with spices and butter, this dish is both flavorful and satisfying. Chef Mariam's signature touch and use of the freshest ingredients ensure that each bite of her butter chicken is packed with flavor. Whether you are a fan of Indian cuisine or simply looking for a new and delicious meal, Chef Mariam's butter chicken is a must-try. So head to the kitchen, gather your ingredients, and let's get cooking.